भवानी शङ्करो वन्दे श्रद्धविश्वासरूपिणो याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धः सन्तास्थम् ईश्वरं वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणं यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्दिते भवानी शंकरो वंदे. Hello friends, greetings. So in my series named as the method of meditation I practice, 3 parts I have already made explaining about meditation and tutoring how it is to be done. Now this is the 4th part. In the preceding 3 parts I have explained how to imagine a deity or a thing or an object, natural object like a sun or a tree in your imagination. How to imagine it deep down with your eyes closed. First how to visualize it, then how to imagine it in your memory with your eyes closed. Now this is the 4th part. Now what I have earlier explained is, first you to sum it up, what I have explained is, first you dress up properly, you take bath, dress up properly, then sit on a mat. I have explained how the mat should be. Then you must first observe each and every detail of the object to be meditated with your eyes opened. Then you close your eyes and then you imagine, then you try to recall what you saw with your eyes opened after closing your eyes. Then you imagine, and at the same time you listen to the silence, listen to what the silence has to say, and observe your breath, observe the free flow of your breath. Don't meddle with the breath, you just have to see what the breath is doing, when it is going in, when it is going in, when it is coming out, when it is stopped for a while, and all that. Now this was all I have explained. Now in the 4th part I have to say that you have to supplement all this with one more thing, that is, at the same time you chant the name of the god or the mantra of the god. If it is Lord Rama, then chant Om Ramaya Namaha, Om Ramaya Namaha, I greet Lord Rama, I greet Lord Rama, or just the name of Lord Ram, 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 Ram. Or if it is Krishna, then Krishna, 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 Krishna. Yeah, Om Krishnaya Namaha, Om Krishnaya Namaha, with this. Or if it is Lord Shiva, then Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You are imagining his image, you are recalling his image in your mind, and then at the same time you are focusing on your breath, what your breath is doing. You are listening to the silence, and at the same time you are chanting his name or his mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. I greet Lord Shiva. I greet Lord Shiva. I bow down to God. Lord Shiva, I surrender to Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And this is the essence of meditation. This is what an ages old saint whose name is Devra Baba have said about meditation. That on your lips you should have the name or the mantra of the God you pray, the God you worship, and in your memory, in your mind, you must have the image, you must have the appearance of the God you pray. So these two things, in your memory there should be the appearance of the God you pray, and on your lips, on your Vani, you should have the name or the mantra of the God you pray. So this is the meditation in wholesomeness. And this is what I have submitted in my earlier 3 parts and in this 4th part. And this is what I have submitted, and I will supplement this submission. I will anchor this submission, all this submission, with what Devra Baba have said, and you will just see in the part which will follow this part of this video. Now you will listen Devra Baba, and Devra Baba have said, now there is one irony about the spirituality, that for a job we want to work hard, for a degree we want to work hard, extremely hard. We are ready to put in years, but when it comes to some spiritual achievement, we want some saint who is a magician with a magic wand, and he may do the magic and you may see the god. Now we are not ready to work hard. So in this regard, the Devra Baba have said that you keep diving into the sea called spirituality, where and the god is a pearl in that sea. You keep diving, you keep diving, you keep diving. In one or the other dive, you will definitely find the god. And I this is my submission, and I anchor all this submission and the essence of meditation with what Devra Baba have said in this regard. He's 150 years old, or some say he's 250 years old, and some say that nobody knows how old he was. So an ages old saint who has seen many renowned politicians, many prime ministers, many presidents in his lifetime. So this is what he has said in his sermons, in his very few sermons which he gave, which are recorded. So you will just hear those sermons also after a while. So good luck. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe.
जब जिह्वा से नाम जप हो और हृदय में भगवान के स्वरूप का ध्यान हो, तो पाप की जड़ियां खत्म हो जाती है। पाप की जड़ी थोड़ी सी बनी रहती, वही समय पाकर पलट जाता है। इसलिए हृदय में भगवान का ध्यान हो और जिह्वा में भगवान का नाम जप, तो वह सब वासनाएं दग्ध हो जाती है। फिर वो साधक का साधन अमर हो जाता है। तो प्यारे आत्मा, साधन धाम मोक्ष कर द्वारा और पायल जो परलोक सम्हारा। ये जो आजकल तरह तरह की कठिनाइयां प्रतीत हो रही है, यह भगवान को भूल जाने ही से ऐसा है। फिर भगवान का स्मरण कर लेने से प्यारे आत्मा प्रभु से प्रेम करो। प्रेमी प्रेम प्रेमास्पद कहने के लिए तीन वास्तव में सभी भगवत प्रेम होना श्रेष्ठ कर, भगवान से प्रेम करो। तो देखो, ज्ञान रत्न से भरे हुए सागर में एक गोता लगावे, रत्न हाथ में न आवे, तो हताश होना उचित नहीं। बारंबार गोता लगता रहे, अवश्य ही किसी गोते में रत्न हाथ में आ जाएगा। इसी तरह से थोड़ा सा भजन स्मरण करने से भगवान में प्रेम उत्साह न आया, तो साधक को हताश न होना चाहिए। भगवान से प्रेम करते चलो, भगवान की दया होगी अवश्य।